Today I thought we could look at some of my favorite camera gear that I take when traveling and how I fit it all into a compact pouch. Let's head back to the desk and take a look at the gear. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I'm a big fan of the Civic Access pouch from Evergoods. This is the 2-liter model, and what I love is how compact it is. But it also has nice padding and protects any electronics that you have inside. It has this kind of unique angular zipper, so when you open it up, you get this nice angular slant that gives you access to all your items, keeps them all protected. One of the first things that I love having is my DJI mic system. It's actually what I'm using to record the audio for this right now. But yeah, with this system, you get a receiver, 2 microphones, and some adapters that allow you to connect it to either an iPhone or an Android device with Lightning or USB-C. And actually, the USB-C receiver can be used with anything, including a laptop or something else. And then it also has a little cold shoe mount adapter that you can use as well if you wanted to connect it up to, say, a camera. One of my favorites to bring with on travels is the Sony RX100 Mark VII. What I love about this is it's just an incredibly compact unit. It's got a 1-inch sensor. One of the things I really like about it is that it has incredible zoom capabilities for such a small package. So you can actually extend it out all the way out to what's a 200 millimeter equivalent. And when you're zoomed all the way in, it's 24 millimeters equivalent. The image quality with that 1-inch sensor is just absolutely incredible. You can get some great nature shots without having to carry multiple lenses, and you can record in 4K if you want to. But yeah, it's just an incredibly versatile camera. It has a great little flip-up screen so that if you're wanting to record yourself, you can. It has a pop-up viewfinder that is handy as well, and just activating the pop-up viewfinder will actually turn on the camera so that you can frame up a shot as quickly as possible. And closing the viewfinder will actually turn it off as well. It also has a bunch of connections on the side here. One that I like to use is the external mic input. Again, I can connect that up with the DJI receiver. Or if I'm using a external microphone, I can connect that as well. There is a micro HDMI connection, and then there is also a micro USB connection. I would say this is the only downside of this camera, is that it still relies on micro USB. Overall, an amazing little camera. Can't recommend it enough. Then I have a little USB-C charger for GoPro batteries. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is still a great camera in my opinion. I think it has pretty decent battery life and allows you to get some amazing action shots. I like taking it out on the water, whether I'm kayaking, canoeing, or doing other activities. It allows you to get some great shots. I also sometimes will wear it if I'm biking, and it really provides a great wide-angle view and some amazing action shots. They recently announced an updated model. At this point, I'm still thinking the Hero 10 Black is good enough to suit my needs, but if you're upgrading to the new models, I'd love to hear in the comments below what you're looking forward to using the new model for. I also have in here the Key Light Mini from Elgato. This is a great little device. I like how portable it is. There's an LED indicator on the back that lets you see the battery life. There's also a indicator for whether or not it's connected to Wi-Fi. You can set this up to use with a full suite of Elgato lights if you want. There's a USB-C connection that's leveraged for charging. The power button is here, and then there's a little jog wheel that allows you to adjust the brightness on the fly. So if you don't have it connected to a device, you can still turn it on. As you can see, it's quite bright, but you can adjust the brightness with the jog wheel. As you can see, I'm doing here. You can get quite bright. You can connect it to Elgato Control Center and adjust the temperature as well. Another thing I really like about this is that there's a 1/4-inch threaded adapter where you can use this with like a camera tripod or something like that. But the other thing that you can't see is that there are actually magnets built into the back of this, and it's really nice if you have something metal near you that you can attach it to. It allows you to light up an area while you're filming, and it's very, very convenient. One of the last times I was staying in a hotel, I was trying to find a way to light up a really dark corner of the room, and I was able to use the magnets to attach it to the curtain rod, and that provided enough ambient light to frame the shot. I also like to bring a bunch of extra batteries along, so I have a couple extra for the Sony camera, and let's just check in here. I also bring some adapters. This is for the GoPro. I also have a little lanyard that I can attach to the GoPro. This is nice if I'm doing an activity where I might be worried about dropping the GoPro or something like that. I also have an audio cable that I can use to connect the DJI receiver directly to the Sony camera and get some good audio. And then in the front pocket, I have a handful of other things. This is a little portable tripod. I like it for the GoPro. It allows you to set it up. It's quite lightweight and just connects to the bottom of the GoPro with the clips here. In addition, I have power adapter for the Sony camera, some other mounts that I use for the GoPro. So this is a nice one where you can kind of clip it into, say, the strap of a life vest, or maybe to the bill of your hat or something like that. It allows you to get some good shots with the GoPro. I also really like this cold shoe mount adapter. What's nice about this is that I can connect this to the Sony camera and then also attach the DJI receiver and monitor the audio output as I'm recording. Another thing that's nice is that this knob actually has a thread in it as well, so you can actually thread the entire device onto a tripod if you want after you connect everything up. It also allows you to attach more threaded devices in here as well. Say if you wanted to attach a key light or something like that, you can do that as well. But it's a nice little portable setup that I can bring with. I have an extra GoPro battery in there as well. That's all the stuff that I take when traveling to record our adventures. What do you like to take with you when you travel? I'd love to see your comments below, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.